What is the cost of cavitation surgery? It's important to note that cavitation therapy is often considered a non-surgical cosmetic procedure rather than surgery, as it does not involve incisions or anesthesia. The cost of cavitation surgery can vary depending on several factors, including the location, the practitioner's expertise, the number of treatment sessions required, and the size of the area being treated. On average, a single session of cavitation therapy can range from $100 to $500 or more. However, most individuals typically undergo a series of sessions to achieve optimal results, which can increase the total cost. When considering cavitation therapy, it's essential to consult with a qualified practitioner. They can provide information about the cost based on your specific goals and the treatment area, as well as any financing options or packages that may be available. If the video is useful, please give a like and follow me.